Looking for the perfect laptop for Power BI? Whether you're crunching data or creating complex visualizations, your laptop specs can make all the difference. Honor Oath has written this LinkedIn newsletter if you want to check description. Let's break down the essentials. Processor. Choose an Intel Core i7 or i9, or AMD Ryzen 7 or 9 for smooth performance. Memory. At least 16 gigabytes of RAM is necessary. If possible, upgrade to 32 gigabytes for handling large datasets. Storage. Go for an SSD for faster data access and responsiveness. Graphics. While integrated graphics work, a dedicated GPU is better for complex visualizations. Display. A high-resolution screen enhances clarity for detailed reports. Now here's some top laptop recommendations. First, Dell XPS 157590. Ideal for large datasets with its Intel Core i9 processor, ample RAM, and SSD storage. Second, HP EliteBook 840G5. Reliable and portable, perfect for Power BI professionals on the go. Third, Dell Precision 5560. A mobile workstation designed for heavy-duty tasks and large datasets. Fourth, Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Extreme. High performance and versatile, suitable for all types of data analysis. Fifth, Acer Aspire 3, a budget-friendly option that handles Power BI tasks effectively. Choosing the right laptop ensures seamless workflows and better productivity. I've given the list of all these in the description. Comment which one you like most. Subscribe for more such Power BI videos.